On this episode, I walk through a door, take pictures of a wall, and learn that grading isn't something that just happens in school.
Morning.
We're here to meet this guy right here. Good to see you, man.
When we had our 100-year anniversary, they went through and tried to find some artifacts and things from through the years, and so we've got several cases around with some of the goodies that they came up with. And I was going to show you this. So here's some of the cool things we collected, and that's back when the aftershave was toilet spray. That's what it came in, and so we handed those out as a goodie for the customers. And then on those matches, you can see it's got our little plug for our hydraulic shop. I always like to say we probably have more inventory at this one location than our competitors have across the state.
Yeah.
So we do all our own solar panels.
It's from all over the state here.
Yeah, and I mean, it's Caterpillar machines of the warranty, and then Allied, a lot of our customers use us for all of their equipment, trucks, whatever. And our turnaround is we try to have them out in inside of a couple of days. So everything that's on Vision Link that's reporting, there's different levels of contracts. We have guys in here that are monitoring these all day, every day. And then, we have emails set up, so if Vulcan has a 992 go down, or PSSR will automatically get an email, their equipment manager automatically gets an email. And it's pretty neat. I mean, it helps us be very proactive. So we've developed what we call rebuild playbooks for Vulcan. So we can take a machine, and they have every line item that you would come across. We can go in, do a quick inspection on the machine, hand them their playbook that we've developed for them, and they can tell us how far they want to go with it.
Sweet. We'll come in for a minute. Can you tell them how you have to paint this and what's going on with the hitch?
Yeah. So basically, we're going to have to prep the hitch first, and once the hitch is painted, we'll cover the hitch, and then we'll get the belly of it clean, and then we'll work our sideways out. And once the insides are painted, we'll start at the top, and we'll work our way back off the back. Then we'll paint the insides of the machine, hit the bottom of it, and then we'll add hardener to our paint. And then we'll work from the top of the sides of the bowl and work our way down with a secondary tech behind me, keeping the paint wet. And once we've got done painting, we usually bake it at about 130, 140 degrees, and for about 12 to 14 hours. And then once it's cured, we can take it on out and give it back to the tech.
New 374 rolled in there yesterday.
So we've got one of the larger Artec truck markets too.
I was gonna say, you have a lot of articulated trucks too.
Was a scraper market, and as the sites have gotten smaller and Metro Atlanta's kind of built out, and a lot of it's reworking an existing site, is trended more to the Artecs.
We're trying to figure out parts.
New kicks are getting ruined out here, man.
I know, they couldn't get the golf cart. Hey man, Cameron, nice to meet you. Before I came to work here, I was in the funeral business for about 6-7 years as a funeral director and embalmer. So I went from a 24/7 business to selling tractors.
Yeah.
Did y'all see the 657?
That's what we were just looking at.
Most of the rebuilds we do full certified powertrain plus hydraulics. So we tear it down to the bare frame, build it all the way back up. Comes with a cap warranty, paint it. So I mean, it looks like a brand new machine. Yeah, I was giving a presentation about rebuilds, and I says, look, we can handle everything from cradle to grave, and the folks that knew my background kind of thought that was funny.